So someone just bought you a car washing kit because they know you love your car and you like to keep things clean. Now, the question is, do you like the brand? Do you like the products? Do you like the kit in general? Well, what I'm here today is to talk to you about what you should do next with those products. So let's get into it. So the first thing I want you to do is break out the interior and exterior products of this new kit you just got. So the exterior products could be like the car shampoo, a washing mitt. The interior products could be a somewhat of a detailed interior spray or some sort of dressing. Things like that. Break them out so you can have two clear ideas what you're working with. Now, in general, all your exterior products will most likely be just fine no matter the brand. Could be the shampoo, could be a car wash with wax, or some kind of ceramic hybrid car wash infused product. The washing mitt most likely will be just fine. It doesn't need to be a $20 washing mitt. Now, as far as the interior products, I want you to be very careful about what you're looking at. Now, the microfiber towels are probably going to be just fine. And be careful about the dressings. Now, the dressing might say it's gloss finish, or it may not say that, or you might infer it might have a glossy finish based on the product pictures on the bottle. I'm going to want you to be very cautious about that because most people do not like a glossy interior. It's not really a thing. Most people like that natural matte finish. So if you are guessing it might be gloss, put it to the side and we'll talk about it a little bit later. Now, let me just go over my reading points here. The most common mistake is reading directions. Most new car washers or someone new to detailing, they forget to read the directions. Now, in general, the manufacturer is not going to want you to use their product in direct sunlight or on a hot panel. On the inverse, you clearly don't want to do the exterior washing when it's below freezing because the product could freeze or likely the water will freeze as you're cleaning your car. So just be careful of those two extremes. And when you read the directions, it's going to let you understand how to use the product because not every product is used exactly the same, even though I just kind of gave you some general ideas. So what I want you to do is when the conditions are right for you and after you read the instructions, try them, right? Because we can all go down this rabbit hole of videos just like this that tell you use product A, use product B, use product C, D, and all the way to Z. There's just so many different products that have different kind of claims, that have different longevities, right? Easier to use than the other one, more effective than the other one, right? The issue is you don't know what you don't know, and you have products right in front of you that you just got as a gift that someone really special to you thought about you in that way. So use them, try them. You're going to find out what you like about it, what you don't like about it, right? And then if you want to continue to use it. Now, I've bought plenty of products that I did not like, and I knew I wasn't going to use the entire bottle. So I just gave it away to someone I might know who's just starting, or I'll put it on, social media, free marketplace, things like that, because someone's going to take it. I just don't want to go into a landfill, right? So things like that, use what you have. And if you like it enough, use it up. Because you might as well, I don't like seeing things going into a landfill, especially cleaning chemicals. Now, after you've used these products, you know what your expectations are. So you can either continue to use it or look for other items that you might want to try that you've seen online. So I didn't want to make this video too long. Overall, it's great that you got a gift from someone who knows that you want to keep your car clean, and separate them out, read the directions, beware of glossy finishes for your interior, try them, and find out what you like. Now, be sure to subscribe and share this video with everyone you know who's new to car detailing, because it's a journey. And when you have questions, put them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And thanks so much for helping me grow my channel when you subscribe. And I guess I'll just see you on the next video.